Hey, what's up? What's happening? We have left Bakim and we have now going to Zongri. Again, we are at Shoka, which we were on yesterday. Yesterday, we were not able to see any peak, but now we can see. If you see far behind there, there is a mountain range. I'm not sure what range it is, but it is a proceeding range for Pandim mountain, which is a very famous mountain in Himalayas.
How did I get here?
Hey, what's up? What's happening? Currently, this is Vedang chilling here right now, and the back which you see is basically Pandim. From here, directly to Zongri. It was very tough climb. I mean, I should say this trek is not that difficult. The only thing what is difficult is rucksack which we are holding. That is around 20 kg. So we have just now reached the Devrali top. This is Devrali top. People are all tired. We still have to go ahead somewhere. First sight of ice. We need to go somewhere there far behind. Hey, what's up? What's happening? We have reached Zongri.
Yeah.
And now we are just going for
Accommodation.
Yes, Zongri top. Currently we are at 13,200, right?
20.
And 20 feet. We are now going to
14,000.
14,600.
You feel awesome when you totally exhausted. I just dance. When I came, I just danced. छोटी छोटी खुशियों पे दिल मारे छलांग.
How did I get here?
There you see, that is our campsite. This is Zongrila top. That is a lovely sight. Lovely mountains.
How did I get here?
This is what we woke up today morning. All snow at Zongri. Good morning, what's up, what's happening? We are at Zongri right now, and last night it snowed heavily. So if you see in my back, all snow. Yesterday evening it was not snowing at all, but last night it rained and it snowed, which has given so nice climate. Snow everywhere. Just now did my morning walk and now proceeding towards for breakfast and my backpacking, because today we are supposed to leave at 7 a.m. from here, from Zongri. We are going to our base camp, which is somewhere far behind there. It's not visible due to mountains, but we are going there. But really, last night it snowed. It has produced so nice climate right now. Snow everywhere. Maybe this would be the first snow for us in this expedition. This is Zongrila Pass. We are just struggling to pass this, Zongrila Pass. Really very not so good condition, but still we are trying to cover this. I think still 4 to 5 hours we have to still trek from here. This is Zongrila Pass. From now we are descending right now. There would be one point where we will have tea, then we will go to our base camp.
How did I get here? How did I get here? How did I get here?
Hey, what's up? What's happening? So we have reached the HMI permanent base camp. Couple of hours ago we have reached. It was very difficult trek. The height gain was really awesome. These are basically peaks around. I'm not sure what peaks these are. When we came over here, it was very foggy. Nothing we can see, but right now we can see at least something. This is basically the playground. People call it that it is the highest cricket ground in the world. So people are basically playing football, volleyball and cricket. Good morning, what's up, what's happening? Yesterday afternoon we reached base camp, which we started our trek from Zongri till base camp. It was very difficult trek due to the steepness and the weight we were carrying. Last night it was difficult for everybody because due to the chilled weather and everybody was having a headache and all. So right now we are good. Sleeping bags are very warm, so it is nice. We had a good sleep. We woke up at morning 5 o'clock. Currently it is 6:30 a.m. and can you see the brightness of the sunlight here right now? I'll show you the place. The place behind which you see the all the tents over here. So this is basically the tents for advanced people. Okay, there is one disco hut in which we are staying on that place. Basically for basic people, around 80 people we are staying in that hut. You can imagine how we are staying. This back which you see is basically the base camp, permanent base camp for HMI, and there are a lot of peaks behind. Currently I'm not sure which names it is, but I'll just give you a view on that.
How did I get here? How did I get here?
We would be acclimatizing somewhere up and again down with the snow boots which we are wearing right now. It's very difficult to walk on them. Morning we woke up, the water tent which we are having, it was all frozen. The water itself was frozen, so we have to beat the water and ice and then get the water out. So it is really nice. I think last night the temperature went to 0 or minus something like that. So it is really fun over here. There is no vegetation sign over here. If you see in background and all, you will not find trees. You will find some plants which are currently brown or grayish in color. So there is no sign of vegetation over here. We are staying here for the rest of the 10 days. Disco hut.
How did I get here? How did I get here?
Measuring receptors. The white part, that is basically our training area. That is Rostong Glacier. We basically drink water from here.
Don't get sick. That is the only thing I'm doing. Don't get sick. थोड़ा cough सब होता रहता है, ठीक है? But make that caution serious.
It's true, it's how society says. Life is already
We are learning bouldering. Crampons, gaiters, and shoe training. So finally, we learned today how to use our ice axe, how to wear a gaiter, our crampon, and how to put a sink between all of them. Tomorrow, we are going to the ice field for practicing. Glacier. He's in tent right now. I have dared to come outside and enjoy this rain and shoot some videos and pics. It is a really awesome climate right now, but very chilling right now. Seriously. I'm again moving in the tent right now.